Hi beauties, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I created this look using the Kiss Brush On Gel Nail Kit. The box says easy application, dries in under 5 minutes, and no lamp needed. Okay, so in this box you have everything that you need for a complete set. So I'm just going to open it. It is going to include the brush cleaner, the activator, as well as the gel. You also have your nails, your French tip nails, as well as just a regular nail for you to do a DIY color or DIY design. It also comes with a file and a buffer on the other side and instructions. So right now you see me just fitting my nail, just going through and picking out my right size for each finger, and then I am going to brush on the gel on the tip of the nail and then place the tip on my fingers. Okay, so the next step after gluing all the nails down is to just snap off this piece. It's very easy to snap off. Just two little forward and backwards bend and it is off. Now at this point, this is where I messed up. I should have went in and filed the top, but I didn't. So you guys do that. I will do that in my next hand. And this is set up as 3 steps. So you have step 1, which is your gel. Step 2, which is your activator, and then you have the brush cleaner. The first step is to brush your nail with the gel. This is after fouling, which is not shown in the video because I did not do that, but I would suggest you guys to do that. So what you guys will see me doing is brushing with the gel, as I stated before, and then taking the cleaner brush from the cleaner bottle, because the applicator bottle does not come with one. Take the brush from the cleaner bottle, place it in the applicator, and follow that up right behind the gel. It is as simple as that. It is not hard at all. Just do not forget to file the nail. That is a very important step, or your nails will not look seamless. So these are the finished results. I think it came out really good considering that I did forget to file. I'm going to move on to my non-dominant hand, and I'm just going to let you guys watch from here on out. It's the same steps except I filed this time, which is a very important step. So here are the finished results. They came out really nice. Be sure to file. I think that makes a difference. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.